आपने तो बहुत अच्छा पेरेंट्स के बारे में बताया, और सच्चाई भी यही है। नहीं, हमारे लाइफ का रियल हीरो अगर कोई है तो वो हमारे पिता है, हमारे माता है, जो ऑलवेज वरीड करते हैं, चिंतित रहते हैं, और जब तक आप सफल हो ना जाओ वो चिंता में पड़े रहते हैं। इट इज़ द रियलिटी ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स। तो एवरीबॉडी शुड थिंक एंड कंसिडर हु विल केयर। पिता एक ऐसा रोल होता है माँ बाप का कि वह छुप के रोता है, बच्चे को पता तक नहीं चलने देता, बट हु विल फील अबाउट इट, तो वी कैन, हम तो फील कर सकते हैं, फील करेंगे तभी हमारा संबंध अच्छा होगा। द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक मैं आपको एक देने जा रहा हूँ। यू हैव टू से समथिंग अबाउट नॉट ओनली एलिंगवा। कहीं भी आप पढ़ने जाते हो किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट में, अगर उस इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में टॉपिक दे दिया जाए कि से समथिंग अबाउट योर कोचिंग, तो यू आर हियर इन एलिंगवा, तो आई विल गिव यू दिस टॉपिक टू यू। से समथिंग अबाउट योर कोचिंग। व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट योर कोचिंग? व्हाट इज देयर एटमॉस्फेयर? व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व? And nowadays you are a speaker, so you have right to speak, and I have right to ask any question to you, to say something about it.
The name of this institute is Elungwa. This is the institute of English. Elungwa is better than to other institute. Its director is Parvesh sir. Sir is not only my good teacher but also my well-wisher. This is a big institute. One time almost 100 students can sit in the class, and there are many pictures of authors, benches, desks, fans, a lecture table, a moving chair and a whiteboard. These all things available in the class of Elungwa. There is a big ground, and here's atmosphere is very well for a study and to learn say something. And native air is also present here, which is most important for our good health. Elungwa is well known to be a good speaker, not only to be a good speaker but also to be a golden future of students. And Elungwa is only one institute in the market where a spoken class is going on. And some people don't know about Elungwa because the position of Elungwa is find out area. Some people don't know which types of institute is this, how is the teacher of Elungwa. He doesn't have any idea about it. Don't worry, I believe on me, one day Elungwa also will be a big and famous institute in the market. Elungwa gives us more qualities for a study, and Parvesh sir is a kind teacher. He never angry in the class. Sir cares always weak a student, and he always looks just the same in trump and disaster. Should be this very important as a teacher. And sir is a good speaker and a good dancer. When I came Elungwa for a study, first time I didn't understand English because I don't have any idea about English. But after some time I improvement myself. I didn't understand any topic. Sir always tries to understand us, and then Sir teaches us English as a language, not a subject, because it is said that English is not a subject, this is a language. If you will study English as a language, then you can be a good speaker. Sir has a dream, my all students be a good speaker. I believe on me, one day I will be a good speaker I don't have any words. His good manner. I am very lucky that I got Parvez sir as an English teacher. I would like to stop my speech here about some quotes. Education can change your mind, while English can change your personality. Education is very important for progress any country and to live our life. And discipline also very important, because discipline makes the country great. If you don't have discipline, you can never success in your life, because education is half fulfilled without discipline. This is all about Alungwa and something about my quotes. Thank you so much.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छा. He told you that I am also a good dancer because I wanted to be a model. It is the reality. तो मैंने पता किया कि मॉडल के लिए चाहिए क्या क्या. तो फर्स्ट वन इज स्पोकन एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज डांस. दो चीज़ आनी चाहिए. तो इसलिए मैंने स्पोकन के साथ साथ मेरा डांस भी अच्छा है. तो he said, you listen, absolutely right. There is no any doubt. मैं एक अच्छा डांसर हूँ और आई एक्सेप्ट इट. मैं इसे मानता भी हूँ. तो आज तो समय ओवर होने चला है. नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप लोग को ऑनलाइन आना है. तो आज तो मॉक कॉल था. नॉट टू वरी, आप लोग लेट हो रहे होंगे क्लास के लिए, तो जा सकते हैं.